What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable the Discord in-game overlay. The in-game overlay is a feature that allows you to use Discord's voice and text chat functionalities while playing games. However, some users find it distracting or unnecessary and prefer to disable it. To turn off the Discord overlay, start by opening your Discord application. Look at the bottom left corner of the Discord window. You'll see your user profile picture and name. Right next to it are your user settings. Click on the gear icon to access your settings. On the left side of the user settings menu, you'll see a list of different settings categories. Scroll through the list until you find the game overlay option. It's usually located under the activity settings section. Clicking on game overlay will take you to the overlay settings page. Here, you'll find the option to enable or disable the in-game overlay. Look for a toggle switch labeled Enable in-game overlay. By default, this option is turned on, allowing the overlay to appear in your games. To disable it, simply click on the toggle switch. It will change color to indicate that the in-game overlay feature has been turned off. Remember, the Discord overlay is designed to enhance your gaming experience by making it easier to communicate with friends without having to alt-tab out of your game. But if you find it more distracting than helpful, disabling it is a quick and straightforward process. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.